Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use browser stack for beginners. As you can see here, I am on their dashboard. Once you log in, you will be directed into this dashboard. Here you can see your ways to test your websites or web apps. You have here live manual cross-browser testing, an automate browser, automation grid, a per C, automated visual testing and review. Here on the bottom, there is a test your mobile apps. There is a app live, manual real device testing, app automate, real device automation cloud. And here you have your all browser stock products. Live, automate turbo scale, accessibility testing, accessibility automation, per C, low code automation. Here are the additional browser stock products. And for mobile apps, you have App Live, App Automate, App Percy, App Accessibility Testing. And here to optimize and test management, you have here test management and test observability. Now you can choose here their popular products to get. Let's try to choose this live. Click on just myself or my team if you have a team. As of now, I will click on just myself. Wait for it to load up. And here, as you can see, I am here on the Let us help you run your first test. You can select a browser or a device. For now, I will select a browser. Click on I am testing a local or private hosted website. Let's go. Now starting Real Safari 7.3 on Mac OS Sonoma. Here you have an instruction you can follow. You can X on this. You can download local desktop if you want. Here you can see your switch browser, local testing, the resolution, capture bug, settings, and other things. Click on cancel. Click on discard. Click on settings. Here you have your start remote browser with a blank page. If you want to start this page with a blank page, you can change its location, Albania, or other location. Here you have a screen reader. Screen reader provides spoken description of your web page for accessibility testing using VoiceOver. And here, as you can see, it is interactive. You can click on files here, edit, view, history, bookmarks, and develop windows here. You can also type in here like that. You can click on next. Now to stop this session, just click on this one. Here you can invite teams by clicking on this one, and you can see the plans and pricing here. Now that's the basic things that you want to do here, and that's basically it.